Professional money managers tend not to see companies and stocks as business, but as bouncing numbers on a screen on which they can place bets. Warren makes his money off these gamblers when they oversell a business and drive down a company's share price to the point that it is cheap relative to the long-term value of the underlying business. The casino aspect of the stock market has been in place since its conception. People simply like to gamble. It makes things exciting. With stocks, you can borrow money, lots of money to place your bets, which is great if things go your way, but really bad if they go against you. This explains why there are such wild price swings. Sometimes money managers have to get out regardless of the price of the shares. As Warren said, think about a burning theater. The only way to leave your seat is to find someone to take your seat, which is not easy. This, of course, creates all kinds of buying opportunities for those who know the true long-term value of a business.